What bird is this? Yes, it's a robin. It is a robin. What bird is this? It's a sparrow. It is a sparrow. What bird is this? It's a blue jay. It is a blue jay. What bird is this? It's a cardinal. It is a cardinal. What bird is this? It's a pigeon. It is a pigeon. What bird is this? It's a dove. It is a dove. What bird is this? Oh, it's a crow. It is a crow. What bird is this? It's a raven. It is a raven. What bird is this? It's an owl. It is an owl. What bird is this? It's an eagle. It is an eagle. What bird is this? Oh, it's a hawk. It is a hawk. What bird is this? It's a duck. It is a duck. What bird is this? It's a goose. It is a goose. What bird is this? It's a swan. It is a swan. What kind of bird is this? Yes, it's a chicken. It is a chicken. How about this bird? Yes, it's a turkey. It is a turkey. How about this bird? It's a peacock. It is a peacock. What kind of bird is this? Indeed, it's a parrot. It is a parrot. How about this bird? Yes, it's a macaw. It is a macaw. What about these birds? Yes, it's a budgie. It is a budgie. What about this bird? Yes, it's a canary. It is a canary. What is this bird? Oh, it's a finch. It is a finch. What about this bird? It's a hummingbird. It is a hummingbird. And what bird is this? Oh, it's a woodpecker. What bird is this? It's a flamingo. It is a flamingo. What bird is this? Yes, it's a penguin. It is a penguin. And what kind of bird is this? Oh, it's an ostrich. It is an ostrich. What bird is this? It's an emu. It is an emu. How about this bird? It's a kiwi. It is a kiwi. What about this bird? Yes, it's a seagull. It is a seagull. What kind of bird is this? It's a pelican. It is a pelican. How about this bird? Yes, it's a heron. It is a heron. What kind of bird is this? It's a kingfisher. It is a kingfisher. What about this bird? It is a toucan. Yes, it is a toucan. What about this one? Yes, it's a rooster. It is a rooster. What about this bird? Yes, it's a hen. It is a hen. And what is this bird? It's a stork. It is a stork. What kind of bird is this? It's a cuckoo. It is a cuckoo. What about this bird? It's a quail. It is a quail. What about this bird? Oh, it's a puffin. It is a puffin. What is this bird? It's a starling. It is a starling. What about this bird? Yes, it's a blackbird. What kind of bird is this? Oh, it's a wren. It is a wren. And what kind of bird is this? It's a lark. It is a lark. How about this bird? It's a magpie. It is a magpie. How about this bird? Yes, it's a kite. It is a kite. And this bird? Yes, it's a falcon. It is a falcon. How about this bird? It's a swallow. It is a swallow. And what kind of bird is this? It's a crane. It is a crane. What about these birds? Yes, they are lovebirds. They are lovebirds. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.